exploring groundbreaking sustainable design innovations in architecture. Did you know that buildings are responsible for nearly 39% of global greenhouse gas emissions, with 28% coming from just mechanical heating and cooling systems? But there's good news on the horizon. Innovation and creativity are paving the way to a greener, more sustainable future. Hello and welcome to Gharpedia. In this video, we'll explore 14 revolutionary sustainable design innovations that promise to change the face of architecture forever. Let's begin. Space Bubbles by MIT. Let's start with something out of this world. Meet Space Bubbles, an innovative concept developed by Carlo Ratti and the MIT research team. These bubbles, designed to float above the Earth, reflect sunlight, acting as a shield to minimize the effects of global warming. By deflecting just 1.8% of solar radiation, we could reverse today's global warming. Space bubbles could be our first line of defense against the worsening climate crisis. Tree Forks Joints by MIT. Next up, we have the remarkable tree fork joints. Who would have thought that discarded tree forks could become a renewable building material? Developed by MIT, these natural joints minimize the ecological footprint of construction. They can be used not only in large-scale building projects but also to craft detailed furniture designs. Photosynthesis device by the University of Cambridge. At the University of Cambridge, innovation takes a step further with the creation of a photosynthesis device. This thin sheet mimics the natural process of photosynthesis, absorbing light, carbon dioxide and water to produce oxygen and energy. Not only is this technology groundbreaking for sustainable energy, but it also leaves behind almost no waste, revolutionizing how we think about green power. By harnessing the power of nature itself, this device could significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Solar Water Purifier by IISc and Surya Gen Renewables. Imagine using solar energy to purify contaminated water. Developed by IISc and Surya Gen Renewables, the Solar Water Purifier does just that. It uses the power of the sun to evaporate dirty water and condense it into clean, potable water, offering an eco-friendly solution to the global water crisis. This device can bring clean water to remote regions and reduce the environmental impact of traditional purification methods. Self-repairing roads by the Civil Engineering Department, University of British Columbia. Next, let's look at roads that repair themselves. Developed at the University of British Columbia, these self-healing roads use a mix of concrete and special fibers that activate in rainy conditions. The hydrophilic coating attracts water, rehydrating the cement and filling cracks before they expand, saving us both time and money on road maintenance. So now, say goodbye to potholes. Bio-based carbon fibers by the German Institute of Textile and Fiber Research. Carbon fibers are known for their strength and lightweight properties, but they are traditionally made from petroleum. Researchers at the German Institutes of Textile and Fiber Research are changing that by creating bio-based carbon fibers from lignin, a plant-based material, thus reducing the carbon footprint of manufacturing while maintaining strength and durability. Sun-powered textiles by Aalto University. What if your clothes could capture solar energy? Researchers at Aalto University, Finland have developed a prototype jacket that integrates solar panels to power devices like body sensors. It's fashionable and a step towards creating more energy-efficient clothing. Imagine clothing that not only keeps you warm but also helps reduce your environmental impact. Solar Power Tree by the Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. Solar-powered trees designed by the CSIR CMERI are a creative way to generate solar power while occupying minimal space. These solar panels are arranged like tree branches, effectively capturing sunlight and generating enough clean electricity to power multiple homes. It's an elegant solution that could power entire communities while taking up far less land than traditional solar panel fields. Emission-free cement by MIT. One of the most significant breakthroughs in sustainable construction comes from MIT's development of emission-free cement. This cement captures carbon dioxide during its production process, reducing the environmental impact of one of the most widely used materials in the world. By using this cement, we can cut down on emissions and even use the captured carbon to carbonate drinks, turning a pollutant into a resource. Bioconcrete tiles. What if the very materials that threaten our environment could be repurposed to save it? Meet Bioconcrete tiles by Irene Roca Murakia and Brigitte Koch. Made from Japanese knotweed and American crayfish shells, both notorious for ecological damage, these tiles transform a threat into a sustainable building material, reducing the environmental impact while enhancing the structure's strength. Carbon capturing clothes. Imagine wearing a jacket that absorbs CO2 and releases oxygen. DS Automobiles has created a fashion that cleans the air while you wear it with living algae incorporated into clothing. Jackets and t-shirts capture carbon dioxide and convert it into oxygen. Stylish, functional and eco-friendly, all with the power of nature. Copbouge by British and French researchers. Next, let's look at Copbouge, the future of eco-friendly building materials. Developed by British and French researchers, this advanced version of traditional corp construction traps heat while minimizing carbon footprints. It's the perfect blend of age-old techniques and modern innovation. 2DPA1 plastic. Introducing 2DPA1 plastic, a groundbreaking material from MIT. Twice as strong as steel, yet fully recyclable. This self-assembling polymer opens the door to new possibilities in sustainable construction, offering durability and malleability with a minimal environmental impact. Dewdrop air condenser. And finally, the Dewdrop air condenser by a Hyderabad engineering student. This 3D printed device captures water from the air, providing clean drinking water in even the driest climates. In the deserts of the future, water could be as simple as the air you breathe. The device is capable of producing 1.8 liters of drinking water per hour from the atmosphere. These are just a few incredible innovations that are reshaping the world of architecture and construction. From energy-efficient systems to green building materials, the future is green and it's just getting started. Tell us how this video helped you understand the sustainable design innovations in architecture. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Remember, together we can build a greener future.